Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install MySQL Server on Windows. Are you ready? Let's get started. Open your browser and type MySQL Server. Okay, and this is the official website where you can download MySQL Server. Click on that, and this is the version that you should actually download. Okay, I'm going to click on download. No thanks, just start my download. Okay, and it will be downloading as you can see here. Okay, let me minimize and I will go to download folder and okay, it's downloading. It's not completed, so only one. Okay, as downloading as you can see here. Once the download is finished, I will show you how to install. Okay, the download is finished and let me go and open it. Okay, and click next, accept the term and the license agreement, and next. Typical, custom, or complete. I'm going to choose complete and click on install. So easy, you can install MySQL Server on Windows. Yeah, as it's installing. Once the installation complete, I will show you how to configure it. Okay, so click yes. MySQL. So if you're a new here, please do subscribe my channel and share with your friends and click on finish. As and click next and okay, click next. Here you should give a password. Okay, I'm going to give a password so you can configure. Click next, 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 uh, next, and here you should click on execute. So click next and finished. And the MySQL server has been successfully installed. And here you should click on command prompt. Okay, and no, let me MySQL command line. You should open it and try give the password. Uh, and I am now connected to MySQL server and show databases. These are the system database which is already exist. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you have any question, just drop them in the comment section and I will be very happy to help you with that. See you in the next tutorial.